Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Jordan, or Flybo, whatever you want to call me, and in today's video we're going to have a quick unboxing. I just bought a brand new microphone, which is sitting right here. So, I'm not exactly sure what way I want to put the camera. I think I might put it here. You won't be able to see me, but yeah, so I got a blue Yeti Blackout, which looks to be pretty nice anyway. It says it comes with Assassin's Creed Origins. I didn't even know that. There's the back. I'm not sure if you can even read that, but it's a fairly hefty box, so I think we'll jump straight into the box here. So you have a little pull tab on top. You pop it open. Okay. I'll try and show you everything I can. Looks like this slides out. I won't be able to get this now. Okay, this is a lot harder than what I thought. Sorry, 1 second now. Okay, we have it coming out. Okay, so we're just left with a white box. That other black box can stay on the floor. We do have a bit of sellotape here. Get rid of that. Wonderful. Right, so let's hope that this is the microphone behind the door. And it is not. So we have the cable first of all. Oh, and we have some booklets. We'll move this out. And we have the microphone. There it is. It's upside down. Right, let's pop this out. Oh my goodness, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. It's heavy, which is a great thing. You know, it's built to last. Holy moly, it is very heavy. I did not expect it to be that heavy. Oh my goodness. So, there we have the microphone. Swivels around. Oh my goodness. The Blackout version is beautiful. Let me show you a better shot of this now. Okay. There we go. Wow. That is absolutely stunning. Wow. Swivels. You know, you have your USB port at the bottom. Headphone jack. You have your gain and pattern on the back. Wonderful, wonderful. I did get an arm as well, which is in that box right there, but I'm not exactly sure how to set it up just yet, so I might include it in this video, a little setup. If I do, I'll just show a quick picture of it all set up properly, and if not, this will be the end of the video. So we'll flip back around the camera. Okay, yeah, so that has been my quick little, okay, I'm not picking it up, awkward. My quick little unboxing of the blue Yeti Blackout version. Kind of tilting all over the place here. It's an absolutely beautiful microphone. Holy moly, I didn't think it would be this nice in person. Anyway, so videos will be improved for next while anyway. Video quality, well, not the video quality itself, but the audio quality will be much better, hopefully. Next video won't have the microphone because I recorded the last video, or the next video after this yesterday, if that makes sense, so I didn't have the microphone. So let me know though what you think of the audio quality now in the next couple of days, and yeah, that should be it. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again. Thank you and goodbye.